Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And Kathy is kicking off the new year with this awesome mood board of paint swatch colors. And she has also selected sketches for us to use. And all of this will be posted over at the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group, and the link will be listed below. So if you're not a member, come join. You just have to answer a couple of questions and we will accept you as a member. Additionally, Kathy is encouraging us to scrapbook our best friends in our lives. Or you can scrapbook any type of photographs. But let me show you the papers and products that I have pre-selected. Just a little caveat, I do add additional products as I scrapbook, but my main focus is to use the products that I pre-selected, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, just leave me a comment below and I will try to clarify that some more. So for my first paper here, we have Cartabella called Craft and Create, and I selected this side, and I think all the colors in this flower pattern paper is representative of our mood board of paint swatches, except for the color purple. Then we have this other paper from Cartabella called Gather at Home, and I just love this mint and white polka dot. We have this paper from Echo Park called Let's Go Camping, and again we have that mint and kind of that reddish pink plus sign in the blues in this. We have this paper from Echo Park, A Slice of Summer, again released in 2021, and we have that red with pink polka dot. And as you can see, I am not doing page kits within my kit, which is typically what I do 75% of the time. So this time we are just selecting papers and we're going to work with it. All right, so this paper here is from Jen Hadfield called the Avenue Collection. Next, we have My Mind's Eye, and I don't remember the name of the collection, but I chose this for this tone-on-tone blue, and this soft blue here is representative of that paint swatch. The next paper I have here is, I think this is a Paige Evans. Let me flip it. Yes, Paige Evans, Go the Scenic Route. And this paper was released in 2020, and we do have some of that purple representative here, but I did choose it for this notebook side and the pink color. And if you look, if you can see or zoom in, we have green and blue lines, and then in this print, faded behind the lines is some of that mint color and pink right here. So there's a real soft pink and a real soft mint. The next paper I chose is from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, number 5. And this is from 2016. I chose this geometric side with the pink, and we have a little bit of purple right there. And we have that yellow. The yellow in our paint swatches is more this color here. So that's why I chose this side. Then we have this paper here. Let's see who this is from. This is Paige Evans again, Go the Scenic Route. And I chose it for this side, the blues, that mint, the pink, and the yellows. So that is my 12 by 12 papers. Now for some of my embellishments here. So we have some ephemera of different tags, journaling spots, tags, and a frame. I'll slide that back here in my little envelope because they're little bits and pieces I don't want to lose. I have clear stickers from Becky. I have puffy word stickers, phrases from Keep It Real, Pink Fresh Studio. I have these like enamel butterflies. I think I picked those up at Tuesday Morning a few years ago. And we have, again, the colors that is in our mood board. I chose to use, hopefully, some of the stickers from the sticker book from American Crafts. There's a lot of the colors in here, and it's got clear stickers, solid stickers, and so anyway, I've got that. I'll just kind of spread this out a little bit here. Then we have some puffy word phrases. I do not remember the collection, and no, I don't plan on killing it. It's just some of the colors that I could hopefully incorporate. I also have another word phrase that are the enamel kind of matte finish with a little bit of puffiness to them. Again, from Pink Fresh Studio, and this line was my favorite story. We have Pink Fresh Studio stickers from Some Days. Then I have Pink Fresh Studio chipboard pieces, Be You. And then I have chipboard pieces from the Becky Wildflower and Honey, and I mainly was attracted to these banners. However, there are lots of colors of these chipboard pieces that will go with our mood inspiration board. And then I have, let's kind of scoot this over, these little whatnots, what I call them. And so we have some buttons here. And these four here are from Yes Please Paper Crafts. And then this one's from my stash. Oh, this one is from Paper Crafts. I have wood veneer in gears. And then I have some acrylic pieces right here. We have flowers, hearts, stars, plus signs, some more flowers, and I got another plus sign that's stuck over there, or you could use them as X's. So I'll put those back over to the side. They'll just stay on my desk. Then I went through my photographs of 2021. As you know, I scrap, or maybe you don't know, I scrap a year behind, and I somewhat go in order probably 75% of the time, but I do jump around a little bit as far as scrapbooking the memories in the same month I took the photographs from a year ago. This was taken in January 1st, or on January 1st of 2021. These are some snow pictures that were taken later in the month of January. And this photograph here of my brother and sister-in-law and our little guy was taken in February. You can tell it's still winter. And then I have my tulips. That was early spring or late winter. I think early spring. And then this is kind of later on in the spring, and we changed out the mulch and put rock in our flower bed. So those are my photographs. As I stated earlier, I will add other possibly embellishments to my layouts, but I will focus on what I pre-selected first. If it will not work when I start creating, then I will reach outside of my kit. I always will use my sprays and shimmer sprays and Heidi Swap sprays and Dilution sprays and Dana Wakley gloss medium sprays to add finishing touches to the background of my layouts. I may bring in some Nuva drops and use them, or some enamel dots. You never know, so you've got to stay tuned. But I work in a small space, so I can't have everything out on my desk because my desk area is small, but all my scrappy supplies are in my reach. All right, be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have the links listed below in the description box. Get out your scrappy supplies, put together a kit, get out your photographs, and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And finally, keep coming back. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.